Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is about how can you be your worst enemy? 3 rules of successful people. When playing the victim of your circumstances, of others, of being an immigrant, of your problems, of your lack of education, or of your financial situation, you are limiting yourself from success and from life itself. If you want to win in the game of life, you need to know the rules and then excel in them. A 3-time millionaire who came up from nothing, dropped out of college with average IQ, said, "The real inequality is the level of personal drive and intelligence." Today, I'm sharing with you 3 rules billionaires follow in their lives. 1. Stop giving excuses. Excuses are often made to shift blame away to circumstances beyond our control. If you hear yourself saying that you cannot be successful because of your circumstances, you are shifting the blame to something external, and you instead need to take personal responsibility. 2. Nobody can stop you but you. Instead of trying to limit yourself by your self-doubts, fears, other people's opinion, be a fighter. Never take no for an answer and just do it. If you believe that your life matters, your dreams matter, you will do anything to make it happen and fulfill your potential, and vice versa. 3. Focus only on what you can control. Life is hard on everybody without exception. There are always things outside our zone of control that we can do nothing about. And successful people focus on what they cannot control and blame their failures on others. Successful people focus on what they can control and blame their failures on themselves. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more interesting videos, please subscribe, like and share.